Hello students, today I am going to teach you assignment of second semester examination 2021 and subject is science. Now section A, write the correct alternative from those given below. Each question. Number 1, which of the following trees is found in coastal areas? Number 1, which of the following trees is found in coastal areas? A. Sesame, B. Eucalyptus, C. Coconut, and D. Date palm. A. Sesame, B. Eucalyptus, coconut, D. डेट पाम. राइट आंसर इज कोकोनट. क्या है, कोस्टल एरिया में क्या पाए जाते हैं ट्रीज, कौन से होते हैं? कोकोनट. 2 नंबर, विच एनिमल इज ऑल्सो नोन एज द शीप ऑफ द डेजर्ट? ए. याक, बी. केमल, सी. एलिफेंट, डी. कंगारू. राइट आंसर इज बी. केमल. नंबर 3, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग क्रीचर्स इज अ सी एनिमल? A. frog, B. snail, C. crab, and D. crane. Right answer is crab. तो which of the following creatures is a sea animal? कौन सा है? तो है crab. 1 number, which of the following creatures is not a sea animal? A. octopus, B. fish, C. whale, and D. snail. Right answer is snail. Number 5, which of the following animals can live both in water as well as on land? A. frog, B. fish, C. octopus, and D. jellyfish. Right answer is frog. तो क्या है, पानी में भी रहता है और जमीन पर भी रहता है. 6 number, which of the following animals does not breathe through gills? Number 6, which of the following animals does not breathe through gills? A. fish, B. tadpole, C. whale, D. none of the given. Right answer is whale. 7 number, flowers of which of the following plants bloom only at night? A. rose, B. mimosa, C. sunflower, D. lily. A. rose, B. mimosa, C. sunflower, D. lily. Right answer is lily. Which mode of transportation was used by man to go from one place to another till the beginning of 19th century? A. animals, B. steam engine, C. motor boat, D. automobile. Which mode of transportation was used by man to go from one place to another till the beginning of 19th century? A. animals, B. steam engine, C. motorboat, D. automobile. Right answer is A. animals. 2 number, which type of railway engines were invented in the beginning? Which type of railway engines were invented in the beginning? A. steam engine, B. electric engine, C. diesel engine, and D. monorail engine. Our right answer is steam engine. Which of the following was invented before the 20th century? Which of the following was invented before the 20th century? Spacecraft, B. electric train, C. monorail, D. goods train. Which of the following was invented? पहले 20th century के पहले इसको इन्वेंटेड किया गया था. ए है स्पेसक्राफ्ट, B. Electric train. C. Monorail. And D. Goods train. Our right answer D. Goods train. Which of the following is the largest unit of length? A. Meter. B. Kilometer. C. Centimeter. D. Millimeter. Which of the following is the largest unit of length? का सबसे बड़ा यूनिट है वो है किलोमीटर. देखिए स्टूडेंट्स, मैंने नंबर बाय वन नंबर दिए हैं आपको. मैं यहाँ पर इसके हिसाब से दे रही हूँ, लेकिन आप मैंने नंबर से लिए एमसीक्यूज है, इसमें नंबर नहीं डाला है. नंबर 5. विच इज द स्टैंडर्ड डिवाइस टू मेजर लेंथ? विच इज द स्टैंडर्ड डिवाइस टू मेजर लेंथ? ए. कंपास बॉक्स. बी. प्रोटेक्टर. C. मीटर स्केल. and D. set square. Right answer is C. meter scale. Number 13. Which is a practical unit to measure the distance between two cities? Number 13. Which is a practical unit to measure the distance between two cities? A. meter. B. centimeter. C. millimeter. and D. kilometer. Our right answer is kilometer. Number 14. What is the type of motion executed by the blades of a fan? जो फैन है उसकी कौन सी मोशन होती है? A. rectilinear motion. B. quad motion. C. circular motion. D. none of these. But our right answer is C. circular motion. देखिए फैन घूमता है तो राउंड में घूमता है, तो उसकी जो मोशन जो गति है चाल है उसकी वो है सर्क्यूलर मोशन. Now 15 number. What is the object that does not allow the light pass through it? किसमें से जो है लाइट पसार नहीं हो सकती, दाखिल नहीं हो सकती? What is the object that does not allow the light pass through it? A. transparent. B. translucent. C. opaque. and D. luminous. Right answer is opaque. जिसमें से हम आर पार नहीं देख सकते हैं वो ऑब्जेक्ट होते हैं. ओपेक हो जिसमें से लाइट वो पसार हो नहीं सकती तो है सी ओपेक. नंबर 16. Which of the following objects is translucent? Which of the following objects is translucent? A. mirror. B. milky glass. C. lens. D. milk. Our right answer is B. milky glass. Number 17. Which of the following bodies is luminous? Which of the following bodies is luminous? A. moon. B. planet Venus. C. sun. D. glass. तो है sun. Which of the following bodies is luminous? C. sun. Number 18. What is the nature of the image formed by a plane mirror? A. erect and enlarged. B. erect and diminished. C. inverted. C में है inverted and enlarged. B. erect and same size as that of the object. So what is the nature of the image formed by a plane mirror? A. erect and enlarged. B. erect and diminished. and D है inverted and enlarged. and D. erect and same size as that of the object. Our right answer is D. erect and same size as that of the object. Number 19. Which of the following devices provides us with electricity? A. Tube light, B. Electric cell, C. Solar cooker, D. Electric bulb. Which of the following devices provides करता है हमको electricity? The right answer is electric cell. Number 20. How many terminals does an electric cell have? How many terminals does an electric cell have? A1, B2, C3, D4. Our right answer is 2. So how many terminals? 2 terminals does an electric cell have? तो an electric cell have 2 terminals. 21. From what does the electric cell produce electricity? From what does the electric cell produce electricity? A. From a metal strip, B. From chemicals, C. From torch, D. From terminals. Our right answer is from chemicals. 22. Which of the following substances is a good conductor of electricity? Which of the following substances is a good conductor of electricity? A. Plastic, B. Copper wire, C. Chalk, D. Rubber. Right answer is B. Copper wire. 23. What is used to break or complete the circuit in electrical appliances? What is used to break or complete the circuit in electrical appliances? A. Filament, B. Switch, C. Insulator, D. Electric cell. A. Filament, B. Switch, C. Insulator, D. Electric cell. Our right answer is B. Switch. 24. Which of the following objects is attracted by a magnet? Which of the following objects is attracted by a magnet? A. Pencil, B. Comb, C. Needle, D. Glass. A. Pencil, B. Comb, C. Needle, D. Glass. Our right answer is C. Needle. 25. Which of the following metals is attracted by a magnet? Which of the following metals is attracted by a magnet? A. Aluminium, B. Copper, C. Magnesium, D. Iron. Right answer is D. Iron. 26. What is the shape of a bar magnet? 26. What is the shape of a bar magnet? A. Rectangular strip, B. Cylindrical, C. Like a horseshoe, D. Ring shaped. Right answer is rectangular strip. 27. If a bar magnet is suspended freely, in which direction does its south pole come to rest? 27. If a bar magnet is suspended freely, in which direction does its south pole come to rest? A. North, B. South, C. East, D. West. Right answer is B. South. 28. What is the shape of the magnet used in a magnetic compass? What is the shape of the magnet used in a magnetic compass? A. Rectangular strip, B. Needle, like, C. Cylindrical, D. Like a horseshoe. Right answer is B. Needle-like. 29. Which of the following is not a source of water? Which of the following is not a source of water? A. River, B. Lake, C. Well, and D. Ground. D. Ground is not a source of water. So our right answer is D. Ground. Number 30. Which of the following contains the highest amount of water? Number 30. Which of the following contains the highest amount of water? A. River, B. Lake, C. Well, and D. Ocean. A. River, B. Lake, C. Well, and D. Ocean. और राइट आंसर इज डी. ओशन. जिसमें ज़्यादा पानी होता है उसकी अमाउंट ज़्यादा होती है. 31. हाउ मच एरिया ऑफ अर्थ्स सरफेस इज कवर्ड विथ वाटर? 31. हाउ मच एरिया ऑफ अर्थ्स सरफेस इज कवर्ड विथ वाटर? A. 1/2, B. 1/3, C. 1/4, and D. 2/3. Right answer is 2/3. 32. What does the vapor of the salty sea water contain? A. Salt, B. Common salt and water vapor, C. Common salt, D. Pure water vapor. Right answer is D. Pure water vapor. Number 33. What is air? Air क्या है? A. An element, B. A mixture, C. A compound, and D. Vapor. So what is air? A. An element, B. A mixture, C. A compound, and D. Vapor. Our right answer is a mixture. The air is a mixture. 34. In which method of separation of a mixture is moving air effective? In which method of separation of a mixture is moving air effective? A. Sieving, B. Filtering, C. winnowing, and D. hand picking. Right answer is C. winnowing. Number 35. 35 number. Which of the following is an effect of moving air? 35. Which of the following is an effect of moving air? A. Swaying of flag on the temple, B. rustling of the tree leaves, C. rotation of a firki, and D. all of the given. The right answer is D. all of the given. 36. What part of air is nitrogen? 36. What part of air is nitrogen? A. 2/3, B. 3/4, C. 4/5, D. 1/2. Right answer is 4/5. 37. What is the water vapor present in air cold? What is the water vapor present in air cold? A. Snow, B. Smoke, C. Moisture, and D. Dew. The right answer is moisture, C. Moisture. 38 which gas present in air is necessary for the burning combustion of a substance? A. Oxygen, B. Carbon dioxide, C. Nitrogen, D. Hydrogen. Right answer is A. Oxygen. 39 which component of air is used by green plants in the process of photosynthesis? 39 which component of air is used by green plants in the process of photosynthesis? A. Oxygen, B. Carbon dioxide, C. Nitrogen, D. Hydrogen. Right answer is B. Carbon dioxide. Number 40 which of the following garbage rot? A. Waste parts of fruits and vegetables, B. glass piece, C. broken plastic toys, D. metal scrap. Right answer is waste parts of fruits and vegetables. 41 which of the following substances can be used to make compost? A. plastic, B. aluminium foil, C. useless grass, and D. iron scrap. Right answer C. useless grass. 42 which of the following can be recycled and can be reused? A. broken plastic bucket, B. metal scrap, C. newspaper waste, and D. all of the given. Right answer D. all of the given. 43 what should we do with the heaps of dried leaves? A. burn them, B. dump them in pond or river, C. use them to produce compost, D. crush them and prepare paste out of them. Right answer C. use them to produce compost. Now section B is define करना है section B में. Number 1 habitat, the surroundings where plants and animals live is called their habitat. 2 number adaptation, the presence of specific features and habits which enable a plant or an animal to live in a particular habitat is called adaptation. 3 number shadow, when an opaque object comes in the path of light, a dark patch is formed. This dark patch is called a shadow. क्या कहलाता है? शैडो कहलाता है. 4 number electric circuit, the path along which the electric current flows is called an electric circuit. 5 number evaporation, the process of conversion of a liquid into its vapor is known as evaporation. Number 6 water cycle, the cyclic movement of water from the atmosphere to the earth and back to the atmosphere through version process is known as the water cycle. 7 number groundwater, a large part of rainwater seeps into the ground and gets deposited underground. This water is known as ground water. Number 8. Atmosphere. The thin layer of air surrounding the earth is called atmosphere. Number 9. Wind. Air in motion is called wind. 10 number. Moisture. The water vapor present in air is known as moisture. Section C. Answer the following question in one word. In which area does cactus grow? Desert. कहाँ पर गिरता है cactus? Desert में. Name 2 animals found in hilly areas. Yak, goat. 3 number. Which organ helps earthworm to respire? Skin. Number 4. What is the respiratory organ in plants? Leaves. 5 number. Which means of transport is used for air travel? Which means of transport is used for air travel? Aeroplane. 6. Convert करना है 2.5 meters into centimeter. Answer 250 centimeter. Convert 4.075 kilometers into meter. 4075 meters. 8 number. Convert 7450 meters in kilometers. 7.450 kilometer. 9 number. What are the objects that emit their own light called luminous objects? इसका राइट आंसर है luminous objects. Number 10. From what does the torch bulb get energy? आंसर लिखेंगे from electric cell. 11 number. Give 2 examples of electrical conductors. तो है aluminium, copper. 12 number. Give 2 examples of electrical insulators. Rubber, wood. 13 number. How many magnetic poles does a magnet? तो 2. How many magnetic poles? 2. Number 14. Which metals are attracted by a magnet? तो लिखेंगे iron. 15. In which form does water exist in nature? In which form does water exist in nature? तो आंसर लिखेंगे snow water, snow water, water vapor and ice. इन ब्रैकेट में है सॉलिड में भी होता है लिक्विड और गैसियस. 16 number. What fraction of air is oxygen? 1/5. 17. Which are the 2 main components of air? Nitrogen and oxygen. 18 number. What percentage of air is carbon dioxide? 0.04%. 19. Which living organism helps us in preparing vermicompost manure? तो है red worm. 20 number. Which type of land is necessary for good growth of red worm? So wet moisture land. Now section D, last section, section D. इसमें 1 नंबर में है, पार्ट 1 में है गिव 2 points of difference. प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स है. नंबर 1 में इसका जो पॉइंट लिखेंगे प्लांट्स में, दे कैन नॉट मूव फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर. और एनिमल्स क्या है, घूम सकते हैं, तो दे मूव फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर। इसमें क्या है, एनिमल्स में 1 पॉइंट है, पहला पॉइंट है दे मूव फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर। सेकेंड पॉइंट, इन प्लांट्स दे डू photosynthesis in the presence of sunlight. Animals number 2 point. Second point, they cannot do photosynthesis. Now difference of second number, natural magnets and artificial magnets. In natural magnets, point number 1, it is made of stone or a piece of rock. Artificial, point number 1, it is made from iron, steel or alloys using a magnet. 2 number, it has irregular shape. Artificial, it has a regular shape. Now part number 2, give 2 examples for each. Number 1, animals found in mountain regions. Number 1 है स्नो लेपर्ड एंड 2 में है याक. 2 नंबर, प्लांट्स फाउंड इन माउंटेन रीजन्स. 1 नंबर है ओक, 1 नंबर ओक, 2 पाइन. 3 number, objects performing circular motion. 1 hands of a clock and 2 wheels of a cycle. 4 number, objects performing periodic motion. A wire of a guitar. 2 number, a pendulum. Number 5, transparent objects. Number 1, glass and 2, water and air.